Hi guys, today we will explain how to manage Shopify Store Access. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your browser and sign in your account on which you want to manage access. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. Now for managing access, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options, but from these, you have to select option Online Store. Once you will click on the option Online Store here, you will see 3 more options. From here, you have to select option pages. Here, you can see the option of store access is a restricted only visitor with the password can access your online store. Now, in order to manage access, click on option Manage Access. And here is the password, means if a person has this password, then he can get access to my store. The store is not visible to anyone because I have a free plan, so that's why everyone cannot get access to my store. Scroll down and you'll see multiple things, but in order to get access, scroll up, and here you can see the option of to let anyone access to your online store, pick up plan. I need to pick a plan, so if you have plan, then you can manage it. But if you don't have, then you can't. So I need to pick a plan. If I click on it here, I have to select the plan. Once I will select, then I can manage access of my store, and that's it.